Plan your itinerary, a guide to organized travel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful topic for travelers and English learners alike. Plan your itinerary. We'll explore what this phrase means, why it's important, and how you can do it effectively. Whether you're planning a trip soon or just love learning English, this video is for you. Plan your itinerary might sound formal, but it's actually a common phrase in travel and daily planning. An itinerary is a detailed plan or schedule for a journey. It includes information like places to visit, timings, and how to get from one point to another. So, when someone says, "Plan your itinerary," they're essentially advising you to organize the details of your trip in advance. Planning your itinerary is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it saves time and reduces stress during your trip because you already know what you're doing each day. Secondly, it helps you manage your budget better, as you can anticipate and control your expenses. Lastly, a well-planned itinerary ensures you make the most of your trip, allowing you to experience more and miss out less. 1. Research. Start by gathering information about your destination. Look into attractions, activities, and how to get around. 2. Prioritize. Decide what you must see and do, and what can be skipped if you're short on time. 3. Schedule. Allocate specific days and times for each activity. Remember to include rest periods and travel time. 4. Book in advance. Secure accommodations, tickets for attractions, and transportation ahead of time to avoid last-minute issues. 5. Stay flexible. While it's good to have a plan, be open to changes. Sometimes, unexpected opportunities make your trip even more memorable. Planning your itinerary can transform a good trip into a great one. It's about making informed choices and preparing for an adventure that flows smoothly. We hope this guide helps you in organizing your next journey or in understanding this useful phrase better. Thank you for watching, and happy travels! Remember, every trip is a story, and planning your itinerary is the first step in telling it. See you in the next video.